That's right. Denton Guyer taking on the North Crowley Panthers. Temperature of about 92 degrees at kickoff. Upper 80s around 8 and 86 degrees around 9. Clear skies, light winds. It's just going to be a little warm, especially for considering that it's the middle of September. Denton right now 83 degrees, blue sky overhead. We'll see the blue sky extend over Dallas. 81 degrees at DFW. It feels like 83. Wind out of the southwest, dealing with a slight heat index. It's not going to be a huge factor today as our temperature climbs to about 89 degrees at 2, 93 degrees between 4 and 5 in the afternoon with a light south wind. A mix of sunshine and clouds, but more sunshine today than what we have seen really in the last 24 hours. 93 degrees for the high temperature across the Metroplex. Upper 90s for our western counties. Air there will be a little drier, and then higher humidity for our eastern counties with highs in the low 90s. If you are spending some time outside, maybe the kids are heading off to football games tonight, air quality alert is in place the rest of the afternoon and evening. This is for high levels of ozone. It's going to lower our air quality. This is going to be more impactful for groups with respiratory issues. So think groups of people that have asthma. Something to consider. Just take it easy if you're spending some time outside. Ragweed, pigweed, all at a high count. I know ragweed is a big one that a lot of us suffer from this time of the year. Keep in mind that's not going to change here in the next few days. Clear skies right now, but I'm going to pan out because this is what I'm watching. A couple of things, actually. Here's what's left of Francine. It's helping still bring in moisture across areas of the southeast, but I'm also watching a tropical storm that's close to Baja, and that is what's actually going to help pump in some moisture into Texas. And you can see it here on this image. You can see this kind of pushing into areas of the Big Bend. Eventually, it's going to span over the rest of the state. And that's what it looks like over the weekend. You see that rain piling in, staying across the higher terrain of Mexico. But for the rest of us, it does translate into some added humidity, maybe even some cloud cover for central and southern Texas. And the higher humidity for us generally means higher heat index, but look at that. A cluster of storms might even roll in thanks to the high humidity or high moisture, I should say, sometime very early on Sunday. This is just one model saying this. I just want to give you that heads up. Most of us stay completely rain-free this weekend, but there is that chance to see a slim chance to see a pop-up storm. So there is the tropical storm. There's what's left of Francine. I'm also watching a big area of low pressure off the coast of the Carolinas. That is set to bring in added rainfall across the Carolinas, areas of the mid-Atlantic in the next couple of days. So if you do have plans to head in that direction, you may see some delays. You want to make sure to keep up with that. So again, tropical storm Ileana, and then that area that I was just talking about, 30% chance of development in the next 7 days. It's not a big chance. I don't think we'll see our next named storm out of that. In fact, our next named storm has already taken shape in the Atlantic. It is Tropical Storm Gordon, not expected to impact the U.S. Temperatures the next couple of days into the mid-90s, 96 on Saturday, 95 on Sunday. Mid-90s continue into early parts of next week along with higher humidity. That unfortunately does mean that the heat index, it's going to be in the triple digits. We're talking, it feels like 101 for the afternoon Saturday, 100 on Sunday. There's that 10% just to account for the really slim potential for some rain. Otherwise, we're staying pretty rain-free through next week. Our next opportunity for change is going to hold off until next Friday and into the weekend. And that officially kicks off fall. We could see some highs in the 80s, Chris.